Yeah, so I first came into the business with my spiritual son. I was a part of Lexington Law Firm. I was a part of Lexington Law Firm for 2.5 years. I started at a score of 482. Lexington only got my score up to 515. And that was within 2.5 years. I found out that they did not address all 3 credit bureaus at the same time, which stretched at $99 out every month. And so I switched to financial education services, and that 515 that I was at with Lexington, I got up to a 728 all the way across the board right now.
Wow.
And so not only that, but then the benefits. Lexington had no benefits. We got smart credit, a positive credit builder, credit attorney, LifeLock, FES debt zero, life insurance up to $100,000 with no medical exam.